How to see download history on Google Play Store. First of all, open your Play Store. Now after you open it, simply tap on your profile icon. Now there you tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Now to find the Install App option, simply tap on your Storage line right over here. And here you'll find a list of applications that are installed on your device. Now to see the app history, simply head back and you'll find the Manage option right over here. And here also you'll find the app history and all the updated time. You can filter out updates available, games archived. And just below the apps there is written updated at 5:37 p.m. and in all of the apps you'll see these history. Now but if you want to see the application that you have downloaded in the past using the Google account but later deleted, simply tap on this device and a drop down menu will appear and simply tap on not installed. So these are the applications that are installed in the past in this device using the Google account that is logged in right now. And you can see the complete entire list by scrolling till down. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily see your download history on Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.